PCI Pharma Services is your world-leading CDMO. We are a contract development and manufacturing organization, and together with our clients, we deliver life-changing therapies. We are headquartered in Philadelphia. We have 16 sites around the globe with multiple facilities at each site. We have hundreds of customers, thousands of products and SKUs that we do on a day-to-day basis. When we started this MasterControl journey, we went to MasterControl at Salt Lake City for our 1 week of education, and then we stayed a second week for configuration in the docs module. PCI leadership was committed to making this a success. We weren't going to conform MasterControl to fit the PCI business. We were going to conform the PCI business to fit the MasterControl tools. And so that way we know that everybody is on the same starting page and we should all look and feel the same.
We used to have one module where we did our training here, we did our document management here, we're doing this over here. So now we're kind of slowly bringing everything together.
And it's really helped with audits, both from a regulatory perspective and a customer perspective. We picked MasterControl because it had EBR. We knew that we needed these building blocks in order to get to EBR.
I know people are worried always going from paper to electronic, but for me, improving right first time, getting some harmonization, the speed, and what that report looks like to the customer is going to be cleaner, it's going to be faster. I'm excited.
Going the paperless route is that gives us a lot of time back because it is very tedious and time consuming to review all that documentation.
You know, I just really envision this helping us, especially with our right first time. That's a huge corporate metric for us at all of the sites. It's something that our executive leadership team looks at on a monthly and quarterly basis, and probably a weekly basis too.
I like that review by exception option. I think that's going to save us so much time. We could probably go from days to hours to get that document to the customer.
It'll be a learning curve, but once we kind of get the ball rolling and we're more acclimated to the system, it'll be a big help. There'll be less people having to review the physical batch records out on the line, so that's more manpower we can put to some other initiatives.
We have been preaching one PCI to our customers for quite some time, and now we're actually living it. Everybody has access to the documents from all of our different sites. An event, a deviation, a CAPA looks the same whether you're in the US, Europe, or Australia. And we can share training, job codes, courses, if it's needed or necessary. So we've really kind of broken down those silos and those barriers.
Being able to link any events or even to create an event directly out of the batch record, I think will be a time saver and help us to really make sure that we're looking at it the right way, that we're addressing the concern in real time.
Being linked with training is going to stop us from doing things that we're not trained on. So systematically being able to see that in real time and not having to say, let me go back to my desk and see if that person was trained on that procedure.
We have the docs module that's integrated with the training module that you can tie into MX. You can launch forms with the EBR. Because
we can launch that deviation right then and there, and we're not waiting. Since we're a 24-hour operation, we don't have to wait until I get here at 8 a.m. If something's running at 3 a.m., we can handle that then, and we don't have to wait for me. The line's not down, we're not losing production time.